Problem number 13 from the bottom of page 49 of your textbook. As you can see, you're not given individual scores. You're given category scores. So in this particular case, one of the first things you need to do is total up the number of data points that we have. And there are a total of 591 data points. If you simply total up the frequency column, that's it. Now, what percentage of organizations took fewer than 2 days? So that would be less than 1 day and between 1 and less than 2 days. So you can see the 166 plus the 100, the first two rows in this case, to detect incidents. So that would represent it took less than 2 days, 45% of the time. Part B, what percentage of the organization took between 2 and 31 days? So in this particular case, what we have is we add up the 2 to 8, which is 124, and then we have 8 to 31, which is 77. So we total that up, divided by the 591, turning into the percentage at 34.01. Now, in question C, it says, what percentage of organizations took 31 or more days to do this? So you can add up the 59 and the 65, which represent 31 to 90 and more than 90, and you wind up with a percentage of 20.98. In part D, what conclusions can you draw about the average dwell time of the incidents? So 45% of incidents took fewer than 2 days to detect. 66% of incidents were detected in less than 8 days, and 79% of incidents were identified in 31 days. So what you can do is the same thing. The 45% is already done for you. So what you can do is for less than 8 days, you would add the 166 and the 100 and the 124. So that would be 8 days or less and divided by 591, and you'll get 66%. If you want the third one, detected in less than 31 days, you would add up all of the days from the 166 all the way down to the 77 and total those up, the 166, 100, 124, 77, total it up, divided by 591. Another way to do it is simply take the 59 and the 65, total that up, and then subtract that from 1, because I will tell you the number above 31, which we already had. It's the 20.98. So if they gave us the actual number, like at more decimal places, it'd be 79.02. And we're not going to get that picky on you for that level of precision. About 79% is fine.